Do you feel the vibes?
Hey YouTube, it's Sir Rem here. We're going to be doing a little work on the bike today with a new mod. It's going to be the first carbon fiber piece installed on a ZX10RR on YouTube. I know there's a few other people that show the carbon fiber, but they never show it installed. So this is the fender. We're going to replace the stock fender. Since we can't go riding and it looks like that outside, we'll do the mod. Okay, we'll just go out to a random spot in my yard, see how deep the snow is. Looks like about 10 inches. I don't know if you can see that or not. So you can see after digging out after the storm, got some pretty big piles. It's about 2 feet right here, and at the high point it's way over 3 feet. And it's melting out today, so if I would have took this yesterday, it would have been even bigger. Okay, what we have to do is pop these rubber grommets off in this holder, this little clip holder here. This is the ABS line here. Better shove it to that. ABS line runs down to here. This is the sensor in this area. And basically what we have to do is push this little clip back just enough to get this rubber grommet going out this way here. You can use a pair of pliers, that works pretty good, vice grips, or if you have some specialty tools, which I don't have, you can use those. Just going to use a pair of pliers. And there's the ABS sensor. And there's the brake line. I wish these here were bolts, but it looks like it's rivets, so it makes the fender a little bit difficult to get off. If these clips weren't on there, it would slide off pretty much right off there. So after I get the fender off, I'm going to remove these 2 rivets right here, and then I'm going to put these new clips on the new fender. There we go. The manual does say to remove the front tire, but I don't have a stand that goes up in there, so I can take off the front tire. So we have to kind of improvise. So there's the 2 fenders side by side. Hopefully the carbon fiber goes on easier than that one come off. Okay, I'm drilling out the rivets. See, I got one out to ready.
Just like
see how this carbon fiber fender fits on there. Alright, that was easy enough. Yeah, feels pretty good and sturdy. Now we got to put the bolts on for the brake lines, and we are done. Okay, there wasn't really any way to get a wrench up in there to hold this, so I bought nylon locking washers. So I had to pull the fender back off to get these brackets on. So let's put those on there. Okay, all on there. Now we gotta see if we can feed it through there and get it back into place. It's gonna be rough with these little wings on there. Okay, last thing we have to do is pop these grommets back in the holders, and we're done. There we go. That side's in. Okay, this side here. Pop the big one in first. A little bit more. There we go. Yeah, they definitely go in easier than they came out. And we're done.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?